Namaskar. Welcome to Automize Manufacturing Private Limited. Let's see the Automize oil extraction machine demonstration, which is very beautiful and small in appearance. It provides 0.5 horsepower with A1 quality stainless steel of 304 and 316 type, which is scratch proof and standard quality. Although after knowing about its parts and system, it is very easy to run this automatic machine. And you can easily extract the nutritious oil as per your usage. Let's first see what you get with Automize oil extraction machine. They are gloves, oil cake container, oil filter, oil container, hopper, cleaning brush, squeezer rod, squeezer tube, and lock pin. Now let's see how this machine works. Please read the instructions given in the book carefully before using the machine. It is called a squeezing rod and it is called locking pin. Squeezing rod is gently inserted in the squeezing holder and it is locked with a lock pin. Two switches are provided on the back of the machine. Now start the red button and then the green one. Now let the machine heat up for 10 to 15 minutes. Till then, we'll keep the oil container under the machine and then place the oil cake container with the oil filter. Now the fresh oil will come in the container. Now the machine is ready to extract your product oil. First of all, put the hopper on the top of the machine and put a peanut in it. And see the amazing work of Automize oil extraction machine. Get 100% pure peanut oil at your home. In the same way, you can also extract oil from the other types of products like almonds, black mustard seeds, sesame seeds, etc. Automize oil extraction machine can extract oil very easily. So you can use a multi-purpose machine very easily and also in low power consumption. You can see that 100% of the oil has been released from the peanut. Now, after removing the oil, hold the cleaning switch for a while and now switch off the machine. Now take out the lock pin from the squeezer rod. Then take out the tube from the squeezer rod and clean it thoroughly. See how easy it is to extract oil from Automize oil extraction machine. Now let the oil container remain fixed for 5 to 6 hours, which will thicken the thick layer of oil. See, your 100% pure oil is ready. So avoid fake and blended marketed oil and save your family too. Purchase Automize oil extraction machine. If you need more information about the Automize oil extraction machine or if there is any query or problems, do contact our customer care number, which is 87390 87390.